In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom post types in WordPress. Custom post types can be a game changer for your website, allowing you to organize and display different kinds of content efficiently beyond the standard posts and pages. Whether you're looking to create portfolios, testimonials, or products, custom post types open up a world of possibilities. Let's dive into the process. First, we'll focus on setting up a crucial tool that makes the process much easier: the Custom Post Type UI plugin. You'll need to start by navigating to your WordPress dashboard. Once there, head over to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Plugins. From there, select Add New. This will take you to the Plugins Marketplace, where you can easily search for new tools. In the search bar, type in Custom Post Type UI. This plugin is highly recommended because it's user-friendly and powerful, perfect for both beginners and seasoned WordPress users. Once you find it in the search results, click the Install Now button. After a few moments, the button will change to Activate. Click Activate to get the plugin up and running on your site. Now that the plugin is activated, you'll find a new menu item on your dashboard called CPT UI. With the plugin ready to go, we can move on to adding a new post type. Click on CPT UI from your dashboard and then select Add Edit Post Types. This is the section where the magic happens. You'll be greeted by a form, and it's here that you'll create your custom post type. While filling out the form, you will see several fields, each designed to customize elements of your new post type. The first field asks for the post type slug. Think of this as a short identifier for your custom post type, and make sure it's something simple, as it will form part of your URLs. Next, you'll see a field for the plural and singular names of your custom post type. For instance, if you're creating a custom post type for books, you'll write books as the plural label and book as the singular. Further down the form, you'll find settings that allow you to manage how your custom post type is displayed and behaves within WordPress. These options will help you tailor the user experience to fit your needs precisely. For instance, you can choose whether this post type should have categories or tags, and if it should support features like title, editor, thumbnail, and more. Once you've filled out all the necessary fields, scroll to the bottom of the page and hit the Save Post Type button. Congratulations! You've set up your first custom post type. You can now create and manage posts under this new type, just like you would with regular posts. Experiment with these to truly enrich your WordPress site with custom types suited to your specific content needs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials.